Let me use your brown. Let me use your brown. So after that, we'll be blending the eyebrows with powder before we apply our eyeshadow. So after that, I'm going to apply
Okay, which color did you apply? The
color.
brown. As
Color
in from the
is the
powder.
lighter shade now.
Lighter shade. Lighter shade.
So I want to use shadow base for my eyeshadow, so that the eyeshadow, the color that I want to apply is going to pop out. So I'll be using that brown powder or the brown eyeshadow that you are going to use to blend the eyeshadow after applying the eyeshadow. So I'll be blending it now. Then after that, I will use the shadow base and apply the main eyeshadow. So I'll be using this one to blend it. Yes, it's giving another color. Make sure that your eyeshadow
Yeah.
you not blend with the eyebrows. It's not going to come up too much. So now I'm using eyeshadow base or the lighter shade of. If I don't have eyeshadow base, what can I use? What else can I use?
Or primer. Okay, it's the base.
Eyeshadow base is eyeshadow primer now.
Concealer. Okay, concealer.
Make sure you blend it well so that that line will not be showing because you are not cutting the crease. You're not with me, oh. I will not answer you if you ask me question. This color, lighter nude.
I tell you, did you change the brush?
Mm,
You change the brush.
yes. Can see when I was applying this brown eyeshadow, I was blending it. But this one, I'm dabbing it. So the main eyeshadow, you are going to dab it. And after that, use your fan brush. Ma, use the bigger one or a smaller fan brush too. So after that, we'll be applying our what? No, like it's lip balm. Oh. I mean after the eyeshadow, what am I applying?
Lip balm.
Forget this lip. Can you apply this lip balm even before, after the face prep? You can apply your lip balm before doing anything. Yeah. Don't use anything. Yes, now it's optional. Yes, you just want that lips to be soft
I tell you,
so that it will not be breaking.
when you are applying this,
Mm.
you use two shade.
Yes.
Did you, as in the concealer, I mean, did you
Mm.
mix it?
I didn't mix it. I
You
use the
use lighter
lighter
shade
shade.
and lighter shade.
I use the lighter shade
For
at
her.
the brow bone. For
Okay.
the brow bone. Oh, that's it off.
You now use the deeper one for the other side.
Yes.
Like she misses.
Yeah. Pick up.
Tell me, she must have her own real color of foundation.
If you don't have, you can just mix it.
This is not my real color.
Hmm?
She needs it.
Sweet, I don't like this side talk. I don't like it. Ah,
Leave her now.
At least they'll be mature now. And some kékeré ń dùn. It's okay, just forget it. Look up. Mind you, if you want to apply your eyeshadow on your foundation on the forehead, make sure the foundation is not much. As you can see, I'm just using to blend it, especially the hairline here. Don't apply foundation on the hairline. Just apply a little foundation on the forehead, then use it to blend everywhere. If you can't use your beauty blender to blend this middle part, use your soft blending brush to blend it. What's that? What's not composing? Ẹ má split class. So after blending your foundation, then you apply your concealer. I'm just going to apply it in the under eye, the T-zone. We are highlighting now the concealer and setting powder to highlight the T-zone. Okay.
The concealer will be for our color. Or
I'm really using this one. Concealer is going to be light. You all know that concealer, you want to highlight those places, you need to use something that is lighter. So I'm using this concealer. Is her shade because she's dark. She's not that dark, but this is her shade of concealer. If I use this white one, it will be too light. Did you see the way I blend it? Please, what's the time?
11:45.
Look up, look up. They will give us like 10 minutes more.
Shut the door after you.
Okay. Mm.
The lady is looking like
Yeah, there's no time.
yeah, wahala. Sonia, Sonia, bring your phone.
So we're still going to do the makeup on Wednesday as well. But he will not be taking the class, his own class before the this thing. We'll be starting by 9. Maybe after the class, he will take his own class. I just apply concealer on the T zone. Ah, Ọlọ́run.
And the lips, T-zone, T-zone, yeah. Okay.
And after that, I'll be contouring the contouring part. I think they have contouring brush. This is a cheek contouring brush and the nose contouring brush. It's going to slant like this. I told you, you contour the cheek, contour the hairline and the nose.
And say any color particular, you
It's dark shade, dark shade. You contour with dark shade, you highlight with the lighter one. Long. Na dey control dis class sef. Yes. The nose, the hairline. I gave you note on that already.
yeah, yes.
Now you see the reason why we used to use for that place. Then after that, you apply your blush. Igbo brush Igbokugbo. So after that, we'll be using we'll be blending the T-zone with a light powder. The T-zone with a light powder. Then we are now going to apply. Eh? Look up. Look up. Look up. You guys are not checking your notes. After blending with this powder, what am I going to apply again? Look up. Why una come dey dull dis class like dis? Just look up, look up. um Look up. Look up, look up. Nude is not like just powder dis thing. That's everyday makeup. Nude might be heavy, but as far as there is no blue, there is no green,
What deep color?
just nude colour.
Heavy color.
So after that, on a norms, we are supposed to allow the setting powder to set before blending, but I'll be applying my eyeliner, gel liner and mascara. Abi? Yeah, look up. I'm only blending that last part. Look up.
With black man.
Sure now. So just look up. You look up, don't worry.
Say women, say wahala. Pull our body out.
Look up.
Like,
Open your eyes. It's not dark yellow. This eyeliner, I don't like it. It's not carrot. It's not dark. Even the brows gan kò jáde dáadáa. Kò original fake lele. Mo like it at all.
ṣé ó wá possible pé ta ni fóònù gan?
If you want to buy your gel liner, just buy carrot. Carrot product. Carrot. This one, someone exchange it. Someone bought this one and they exchange it. This is no. This is carrot. Carrot is àwọn ilé ìkàdàdà ló ń ṣe síbẹ̀. So I want to smuggle the eyeliner. I'll be using dark eyeshadow. Dark eyeshadow to smuggle it because it's not dark enough. You got yeah, ẹ fi carrot lẹ̀ o. Do you see the difference? I'm still going to save that face. Sorry. Then we apply the eyeliner. Anyone with eyeliner, please. Eyeliner. Eyeliner, tẹ́ fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn kan. This is gel liner. Ẹ máa lò sókè bọ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wet one lè máa lò sókè, dry one lélẹ̀. Oh, I've seen one. Thank you. Tí ẹ bá ṣe mistake yẹn bá fi lè close open ojú wọn, ó máa ṣe papọ̀ mọ́ kíní. So it's better to. What's this one? You close your eyes now.
Okay, I thought you want to put them
No. Let me tell you. Hey, that's the word. Ẹ tí bá original eyeliner pàdé kí ló ń ṣà. Don't open your eyes here. So this eyeliner is not the one that dries immediately. So you tell your client not to open her eyes until. Yes. I don't know. Lie. Walai. For real. I will bring it now. I'll bring my box. Whenever I bring my box, I'll tell you guys. Most of my products, I don't even know their name, and I'm using them. Please give us one.
Hello.
So you use your mascara, please. You can come inside and go to that room before this thing. Please sit up. Okay. Even if you are still going to apply your eyelashes, if you are putting eyelashes, use this one. I told you the reason now. I told you the reason. Yes or no? On your own, because I told you the reason. So now you are going to blend the lip, because we apply our lip now. Then to bring out the V shape, you use your bronzer at the tip here. Then you like it feel nice. Let me use this one. So just to bring out that lip shape. Open your mouth a bit. Open your mouth a bit. Open it. Open it. Is lip line. Then you use your main lip. You can also use this brown one to line the anything that is dark, not too dark. This is also a dark one. You can also use this one if this one is too dark. But I just mix the two together. Then you blend. Open your mouth. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Asaro nínú makeup class. Ṣáà don't ask me question. Asaro nínú makeup class, abi? They are not listening now. Yeah. still the same color. So after that, then we'll blend all over the face. Yeah, yeah. Sit up. You blend out the setting powder. You kukuma divide the class into two. If you are not with me, don't ask me question later. I will not answer you. Okay. Then we are using our powder. Yes. Please, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, please. You should come inside now. Come into this place. Ah, I don't need to dress it down. Yeah.
You should always come early as well. Did you come before me?
Nobody come before you. You came before us.
So you said you
After that, we apply the bronzer, please.
who is that?
Okay. No, there's this bronzer for that person. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wo ẹ concentrate ni ma. Ah, ẹ̀yin lẹ concentrate. Yeah. Look up.
I swear, if I should snap today, they will ask me today our wedding day.
Don't look down. Don't look down.
Geneva.
Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Don't look down yet. Then your latches. Bring this one out. This one. Bring it out. Ma? Eh? It's not a must if the person does not want. Yeah.
Come inside. Hold on. Open the door. Tell her to come inside. Hello?
Hold this one. Hold this one.
The stairways is blocked already.
This is the last thing I'm doing. Look down.
I should look down.
Don't look down too much, yes.
See. Don't make noise, just sign it out.
Okay. What is it for? Yeah, okay. Thank you, ma. Don't look down.
I don't look down now.
You look down.
You know how much is paid
What is coming up, guys? That's scatter.
See, you stink. Just be sniffing it inside. Be sniffing it. So she might decide to leave the lip dry, matte or glossy. So let me gloss the lip, please. So I'm not going to use that spray for you, abeg. Kí ni ẹmọ yìí tó ń ta spray yẹn? 15,000. Your this thing na.
Your package. Your package now.
At least 12K, 13K. Stay on, seal it, Lemini.
Any other question you can ask.
Location here at the package, you know, Mama
Okay now.
I will go China, go look for 7 days old.
like shiny things.
This one should not do that.
Sir?
This is sir. She don't go clean am.
I'll just Hello. Sign up.
So you guys can sign out then. Yes. Hold on.
Black yet is.
Ó ń wọlé ni.
So just hold.
So we will not be able to tie gele again today because there's no time. We don't have much time. Please on Wednesday, I will come. Just look down. Yeah.